Wow, what a beautiful day. Oh, tell you, it feels like summer has finally arrived. So, thank you very much for clicking on this video today. Today, I'd like to talk about the best motorcycle, summer motorcycle clothing in the world. Now, as ever, I'm not here to tell you what you should be wearing or when you should be wearing it, because do you know what? The beautiful thing about motorcycles is freedom of choice and your freedom to wear what you like. If you just want to wear a crash helmet on a day like this and ride round in your undercrackers, then you know what? You crack on, because that's your right. But if you're here because you want to know what is the best summer motorcycle gear in the world, well, I'm here to tell you. And it doesn't matter whether you're riding a Monkey or the mighty Rocket. Because you know what? No matter what you're riding, Gravel Rash feels the same. It really does. Which is why in the summer, for me, my personal choice is the best motorcycle gear for summer riding in the world. Now, I'll tell you a little story. Before we get on to the gear, I'll tell you a little story. I lay in hospital next to a guy that got Gravel Rash from top to bottom, and to this day I've never heard blood curdling screams like I heard that day. I really haven't, you know. And the nurse came to my cubicle and I said, "Oh my God, what is going on? What's he done?" And she says, "Well, he's got Gravel Rash, unfortunately, from all the way from the top all the way to the bottom, and the only way we can clean it is to scrub it raw with a bristle brush." She says, "And if you think those screams are blood curdling now, you wait till we put the antiseptic on." Oh my God, those screams will stay with me to the day I die. And yeah, like I say, Gravel Rash is real, and it's for one of many reasons that no matter how hot it is, you'll never find me riding in shorts, you will never find me riding in a t-shirt, and that is my personal choice. So for me, the best summer motorcycle gear on the market is Roadskin. It really is. Now, hang on a minute. I know you're all thinking, Rocket? What's the Rocket about? We'll come back to that. But for now, we're talking about Roadskin. And Roadskin motorcycle gear. Do you know what? I will stand behind these products 100%. I've been wearing these for 3 years now, all the way through spring, into summer, and even some of the winter months where it's not been so bad and I can put a heated jacket underneath. I've still worn the Roadskin hoodie, apart from I take the hoodie off, and Roadskin jeans, which are AAA rated. I mean, a AAA rated single Cavenagh jean is just, you know what I mean? They're so light, they're so comfortable. They're easily the best jeans. I wear these to go out in as well as ride a motorcycle because they're that comfortable. AAA rated. You're not getting Gravel Rash with these jeans on, and for me that's what it's all about. It's nearly 30 degrees today and I'm still feeling really cool in these jeans. As for the top, I love the fact they incorporated these anti-slide cuffs, so if you do slide down the road you're not going to lose your sleeves. Just the small attention to detail on what Roadskin delivers is amazing. Now, Roadskin was a company that came about from a beautiful couple called Nicky and Ian Wilson. And I know Nicky and Ian from the days where I was buying Gerbing's heated gear every winter at the bike show without fail, because I would just keep replacing it because of the amount of miles I was doing. They gave up the Gerbing's franchise to be the UK distributors in 2020, I think it was. In 2019 they started looking, just before COVID. I mean, that's a crazy time to start any business, but they took it on board. They took a massive loan out. They bought a brand that used to be called Dragon Jeans and just rebranded it as Roadskin, and they design and make things for riders. My wife stands by the ladies' gear. She says the ladies' gear, you can just tell it's been designed by a lady that rides. And that's the difference, you know, with the Roadskin stuff. They've got a lot of different styles, a lot of different garments, from padded shirts to jeans to ladies' jeans to leather look jeans, you name it. I love the hoodie. I think the hoodie is amazing. It's got good armour in it. I take the back protector out purely because I wear an air vest, whether it be my rucksack or whether it be a vest over the top.
And then it was only last summer I was at one of the shows and I was like, I'm going to grab a pair of them gloves because I kept putting it off, and my wife got a free pair of gloves with her jeans at the ABR, and I wish I'd have bought a pair, because the same for a pair of summer gloves, they're just, do you know what, they're just a good, comfortable, well made pair of gloves, you know, that if you do come off, they are going to save your skin. And that's the thing, you know, love the skin you live in is what they say. Dress for the ride, not the slide. That's what I do, and this is what I wear through the summer months, because do you know what, that's my choice, that's my freedom, but I like to be comfortable, and the one thing that Roadskin gives me is a comfortable ride. So have a look at the jeans, they're amazing. Look at the hoodie is just a beautiful fit. Go along to the website, get in touch with either Ian, Mark or Nikki, and if you mention me, you never know, they might give you a discount, but at the end of the day, I paid for everything I'm wearing, and I'm happy to do so because I'm happy to support Roadskin by buying their products, because you know what, they're a product that I definitely believe in, and they're a product that I will put my name behind 100%, because do you know what, at the end of the day, the only thing that I've got that's worth anything is my integrity. So Roadskin, definitely 100%. So back to the elephant in the room. I know you're all looking at this Rocket and what a beautiful bike it is. So while I'm doing this review, I've also got the pleasure of riding this bike today, and I will be doing a review on this bike on the channel. This is my number 5 out of my top 5 Triumphs, and for anybody that's not been to the channel before, I'm a development test rider, and I did over 1 million miles for Triumph, and this is in my top 5 Triumphs that I had part in when it came to development. And you know what, I absolutely love it, so come back for that video. My advice is, no matter what you ride, dress for the slide. Like I say, that's advice, that's not me telling you what to wear, but if you want some decent kit, go and have a look at Roadskin. Oh, and until then, I'm going to have fun on this Rocket. Stay safe out there, no ride faster than your angel can fly.
Biker buddy, he's dressed for the slide, enjoying the ride. Dressed in the best motorcycle kit that money can buy.